There she go, there she go, there she go. Oh yeah, yeah. Every time she walk by, every time she walk by, every time she walk by, I be like, there she go. Every time she walk by, I can see in her eyes. Shawty be feeling my vibes. I be like, there she go.
Hey guys,
wait, wipe the screen. Wipe the screen.
Ow.
No, the camera. Oh. Just that part. Oh, fuck. Vlogmas day 20. Shitty weather.
Day 20, you know, Christmas is in 4 days.
It don't even feel like it.
It's raining.
Yeah. Okay, people don't need to know where we at.
Okay, blur that out there.
All right, wait. Why you always look like that? Oh, look. Ooh.
Yeah, but you know, put it back on me. Full horns.
Okay, goodbye. What do you have to say today about this weather? Look, let's show. Look at this.
Raining shit. Nigga be talking about, oh, I'm sleeping on shit. Oh, fuck.
Weather. I'm not fucking with it. I'm really not.
How you doing, vlog?
Wow. This weather is so.
I'm very cold right now because
You're cold.
I suffer from I'm cold-blooded, so I'm very cold right now, and I'm not high, but listen. Yesterday my stomach was hurting, but then I ate.
All right, you're trying to.
What everybody be saying, like,
Yes.
like that little.
Yes, I know.
All right, damn. Anyways, you already know what it is. It's my vlog now. It's my vlog now. All right, you know who it is. It's your boy CJ the God. If you know that it's my vlog, spam. This is CJ's vlog now on the comments.
Oh, that vlog from what day?
Oh,
my headphone. You already know we're about to be late, and it's raining.
Yeah,
Everybody's soaked. Everybody's running.
No horns.
Okay. Back at it again. Guess what we got? Best cookies in the world. Hands down, don't at me. Matter of fact, never mind. Yeah, don't. If you disagree, you smoking. You goofy if you disagree. Bro. Oh shoot. Back at it again. Oh, really? Oh. Hold up.
Yeah, I look bad.
Oh, really?
I look bad today.
Everybody look good today. Goddamn. Who would be like, yo?
I mean on Snap
excuse-
because I only saw my Instagram on that page. I mean on Snap.
School and excuse me.
I mean on Instagram. Yeah. Dolores. 2 S's at the end. Every time I leave, you always talk shit.
He's like, so
I'll rock your shit.
like, she'll beat my line.
I wish you would.
Dang, she just pushed me.
No, don't touch me.
Not clear. What the fuck? Bipolar as fuck.
Is this going on your channel?
Yeah. Whoa. Wow, just ruined that bit. Hey, back at it again.
Ella me pregunta, ¿qué pasó? Todo, cabrón. Y Michael, cabrón, tú lo miras. Papi, está asustado. Oh, wait a minute. Listen. I'm spitting on the beat. I'm about to eat some meat.
Whoa. Boom. Back at it again. I like when you're on this side.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get on this side.
Thank you. Back at it again.
Listen.
I hate when you do that so
Listen.
much. Oh.
Hold on. Watch this.
Oh.
I'm a nigga. No.
Okay. Yeah, we know. Okay, move out the way. All right, back at it again. What you gotta say?
Huh?
We gotta
Is it-
vlog. We gotta get footage today.
What do I do?
You just be talking.
Oh, look who's
Minaj, back at it
Minaj.
again.
here.
Why
We on the
everybody's
vlog.
skin tone
Listen.
looks good?
Listen, look.
Ooh.
Listen, hold on. I got you. I'm gonna spit some bars.
We got him.
Spit some bars. Driving cars. I go to Mars. Catching fireflies in jars.
What?
Ooh. Oh, you ain't never heard that before.
No, that was terrible. Terrible. Trash.
Bro, don't hate on me, bro. Damn. Alright, listen, YouTube. Listen. I got. Hold on, wait. I got 99 problems, but Jocelyn ain't one. Actually, she is one. She's
No, I'm not. What the heck? You're bugging. Hey, you guys want to be in my vlog? Hey.
No.
We gotta get footage today, guys. Oh, damn, it's dummy dark.
Listen.
Stop saying that so much.
You should do an ASMR challenge.
That's what everybody tells me. That would
I'd
be,
watch it.
No, I would make it funny though, because I cannot be serious. I could not be serious like that though. With an ASMR, I'd laugh so much. What you finna eat? What you finna eat?
I'm finna eat some, what's today, Thursday? I'm finna eat probably a Philly cheesesteak.
You built like a Philly cheesesteak.
Damn, I look like shit.
Back at it again, we at lunch.
Look at my hair, bro.
Look at my hair.
First of all, it's raining. It's cold as fuck. Look at my forehead. I look shit.
There's this big old bump on my nose, but it's straight.
Where? Oh, I see. I look dark as shit.
Did you see?
I'm not wearing a uniform shirt. I could care less at this point.
Yeah,
Fuck school.
100%.
Fuck all these teachers.
100%.
I have a 68 D in art. How the fuck do you have a D in art? This bitch needs to put in grades. I don't care if you're on your little bed rest shit. Like, you've been out for a whole week. I'm gonna need you to put my grade in. Thank you.
Right.
Put my shit in. Damn, you're fucking me up. I can't wait for a little party today. Did you get the plates at the car?
Hey.
Right now. Yeah, I can't
What
give
you
you the
eating? What you eating?
Jasmine, stop. You gotta let me know when I'm in the vlog.
Bitch, before or after? Wait, All right, go.
If I'm in that
Anyway, you guys want to be in a vlog?
Hey! It's hot as fuck in here. Back at it again with the vlog, you dig? You know, my little drug rug, you heard?
Dike. Rug.
So, yeah.
Oh, y'all should subscribe to my channel while y'all at it.
No, do not subscribe to her channel. But
All right.
Right here. Okay, I'm out. Peace out. Love you guys.
All right. Girl, honey. I woke up this morning and was like, yep, I'm gonna just go to school and then come home. Ew. That bitch strong as hell. All right, we out. Hey, you already know. Black back at it again. Yeah, you know, you can't fuck with us. Ain't nobody can fuck with us, bro.
I wish somebody would fuck with me. I'd be
All right.
type T.
She thinks she will lose it. She ain't gonna do that.
A lot of shit right now.
Huh? She really? Huh?
You? What you say? You talking a lot of shit right now?
I can talk. You know why I can talk? Because I'm about it. Dang.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Can we walk? Nothing else to say to females that just go like this. Jalen.
Alright, now, you know if she hit you in the neck, bro, that's a no.
All right, but that's the thing. I'm smart enough not to hit my friend hard because that doesn't make any sense. Then it's gonna cause conflict and we're fighting. You know what I mean?
What?
So that's why I'm smart and I only hit when it's necessary, which is rare.
She's still fucking.
See, I'm letting that go because she's my friend.
Yeah.
But if she wasn't my friend, what? I'm going like this, and then I'm a.
Hey, yo, dang shit. Oh, that's a long ass video. Fuck,
Where's this nigga come from? Why
Thanks, yo.
because I know you don't. What the fuck? Anyway,
Bro, he was all up on me.
Before we got interrupted.
Look at this freaking. I look like shit. I feel.
Everybody looks it today because of this fucking weather. But it's straight.
This is stupid.
Where are we going? I have building 8.
Oh, bitch.
Yeah, girl, we gotta turn around.
I'm like halfway, then I go this way. Oh, you look so cute.
Jazz, what? Wait, what time was Jazz? Like what year? 1920.
Why is it so loud? Mad people. For what? I'm confused. Baby boy!